हवा चले तो बल दिखाए, पानी बहकर शक्ति जताए। बल से ही सजता संसार, ज्ञान से समझो इसका विस्तार। बल है धक्का, बल है खींच, हर गति में इसकी है लीच। प्रकृति हमें खींचे नीचे, गुरुत्वाकर्षण बल है पीछे। हवा चले तो बल दिखाए, पानी बहकर शक्ति जताए। बल से ही चलता संसार, ज्ञान से समझो इसका विस्तार। Welcome to today's science program presented by Class 4. Their theme is force. Force is a push or pull that make things move, stop, or change direction. So today's performance, our young scientists will show how force works in daily life and why it is so important. So let's welcome Class 4 boys on the stage with a big round of applause.
We are going to talk about force. Force means a push or pull. Whenever we push something like a door or pull something like a toy car, we are using force.
यार बैक टू बैक चल रहा है, बताओ क्या करें।
There are
ये तो रिकॉर्ड
different
करनी होती है।
forces. My classmates are going to tell you about them with example. There are many types of forces: gravitational force, frictional force, tension force, normal force, magnetic force, and applied force. Gravitational force, the force that pulls everything down towards the earth. Example, a ball or it goes back because of gravity. Frictional force, the force that stops things from sliding. Example, running,
एक कंसेप्ट बढ़ चुका है और दूसरा आधा कंसेप्ट
and nuts. Tension force, the force in a rope or a string when it is pulled. Example, playing tug of war with a rope. Normal force, the support force given by surface. Example, a book resting on a table, sitting on a chair, and bouncing ball.
कार्ड फिल हो चुके हैं, बताओ क्या करें।
Applied force, the push or pull we do ourselves. Example, pushing a toy car, pushing or pulling we do someone.
I will tell you something about force which we use in our daily life. Force is everywhere. We use force every day. Example, opening a door, writing with a pen or kicking a ball.
दूसरा आधा हो चुका है।
Force can change motion. It can make things start moving, stop moving, or change direction. Example, a ball changes direction when you kick it from the center. Force can change shape, force can affect bend object. Force helps us in our daily life. Without force, we will not be able to do anything.
वो तो शॉर्ट है, सब ये पता
Now our poem. Force can push and force can pull. It makes the motion fast and dull. From gravity stuck to friction fine. Force shape the world with all its might. Thank you.
10%